Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open Lloyd's bank account on phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes to complete. Start by downloading the Lloyd's Bank app. After the installation is complete, open the app to begin. When the app launches, you'll be given the option to either log in or open a new account. Choose the option to open a bank account. You'll then be asked to give consent for data usage related to how you interact with the app. You can adjust these permissions if you want, but for now, proceed with the required selections. After that, the app will ask if you already have any existing products with Lloyds, such as an account, card, loan, or mortgage. If you're new, select the option indicating that you are a new customer. Next, choose the account type that best fits your needs. You may also be asked whether you plan to regularly deposit money into the account, so select the option that applies to you. To verify your identity, you'll need to upload a valid ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, enter your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure all information is accurate. Continue following the prompts and complete all required fields. Once submitted, your application will be processed and your account will be created. And that's it. So that's basically how you can open Lloyd's bank account on phone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.